Welcome back to the training, and we are going to be looking at how you can actually lock up and protect your download pages for your PLR product or for any other product whatsoever. So we are going to head straight back to our WordPress dashboard, and once again we go over to plugins right here, add new. Okay, and also we go over to pages and then open a new page. Good. Now let's take a look at the very first way to protect your download page. Now let's say this is your download page and you call it PLR thank you, and you get it published, and you do all your designs with Elementor or Thrive Architect or whatsoever page builder you are using. Now once that is done, I'm not going to go into all that will take a lot of time. So once you have published this, what you do is that where you the right hand side of your page where you are going to deliver your files, the particular download page, you go over to where you have visibility, you click on it. It's public now. Then you can go on down and password protect it. Then you now add the whatsoever password you are going to have use, something that is difficult for anyone to recall, but you should know the password. Then once you have added the password, you now what? Let's say the password is PLR monkeys. You understand? So you just update the page. So it's now password protected. You are good to go. So whoever lands on this page, whoever lands on this particular page now, okay, let's preview it. Preview it. So whoever lands on this page is going to be asked to enter that particular password. So even if the search engines index the page, because that's another major problem, even if they index the page, you are not going to have any issue whatsoever, because they will not be able to have access to all your download links here until they impute that password. So you now give the password to those that purchase your product. So that's one way of protecting your download pages right from within the publishing section of the website. Now another way through which you could actually protect your download pages is by using a plugin, and there are many of them, but I'm just going to consider two simple ones here. The first one is Secure Download. I think Secure Downloads, or is it Secure WordPress? Okay, I think Secure Downloads, and this is it here, Secure Download. So you just install it as you normally do your any other plugin. So you scroll down, and this, and there are other ones. I think there is one other one you could consider is WordPress in Download Manager. Yes, WordPress Download Manager. I think WordPress Download Manager. Good, here is it. This is the other one. So, but we don't want to make use of any of this right now, and we want to just use Secure Downloads. Very, very simple and straightforward. Where is it? Should be done where, because I close the page, and we just keep putting Secure Downloads, and to pop up Secure Downloads. was this Secure WordPress. You are having any issues like this, the only thing maybe you can just go straight to where, since we have already installed it, just go to plugins and the plugins and click on install plugins, and then inactive ones and secure downloads, and we activate it. And we are good to go. So where you see it here, secure downloads, and it should be somewhere down by the left hand side also. By the left hand side, you can check inside settings, secure downloads, it's not there. Check to secure downloads, it's not there. Check appearances, secure download, is not there. Okay, so let's just make do with the one we get. You go to settings, and then you can configure your settings, and this is the email. So we now add the first one, add new. So we have enabled some links to get you started, blah 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 blah, and then now add file, save changes. So add new, test file, shortable, and all. So this is where the magic happens. So you just add your file, the particular file, if you have uploaded it. Let's just use one here. Let's say this, and we insert it, and then we save changes. So we now have it secure links. Let me pause it. Okay, now once you click settings, that's from here, you click on settings, you can actually, or you just by the right hand side here, you can read all this up, how to go about securing the pages. I'm not going to go into much details with this plugin. You can always search for it, read up the directly, or click help info here and get everything you need. But it's pretty easy. Now you just read it up and set it up for each of the download pages, and you can set the expiry time to 5 minutes, 1 year, 90 days, as the case may be. So you just read it up. Now aside that, you can actually send them individual. You can send to let's say you want to send to a particular person, and you can just put the person's email. You can just send to a particular individual, and you generate it, and then you can put that particular link to say 6 hours or 1 hour, as the case may be, for that particular file. So that is how you secure your pages. You can just play around with it. There's no harm doing that. You learn a whole lot. You try the other one, the download manager, and see which works best or better for you. So that's it with this particular training, and we are going to stop here. When we come back, we are stepping straight into the final part of the training, talking about marketing and selling your PLR. And this is the part that I'm really going to dwell upon. Take time with it. So see you in the next tutorial. Thank you and God bless.